Hazrat Abu Murrah, the slave freed by Aqil bin Abu Talib, reports that Hazrat Abu Waqid Laysi radiallahu anhu said, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sitting in the mosque, three men came there. Two of them came towards Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whereas one went away. Out of the remaining two, one found some room inside the circle and sat there, and the other one sat behind the people. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got free, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, shouldn't I tell you about those three men? One of them came to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and he Jalla Jalaluhu accommodate him. The second one felt shy. Allah gave him the reward for his shyness, and the third one turned his face. So blessing of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu turned the face from him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 474.